Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install these fender mirrors on my Supra here, and how to remove the old ones and make a little block-off plate for them. Okay, so here's the package I just received in the mail. Looks like these are the mirrors I ordered. There's the left one. Get it open here. Alrighty, so here's the mounting brackets we're going to be using. There's the mirror itself. It's in another thin layer of plastic wrap here. I don't know, I might need a knife for this time. So, there we go. So, there it is. That should look good on my car. Oh, this other one came in blue plastic wrap for some reason. They both look like the mirror surface here is actually convex a little bit on both of them. It seems about the same, so some people told me I might have some issues because these would be farther away. On the car they'd be down here instead of up there, and so you'd have a smaller surface area to see, but it seems like it might actually work even for a left-hand drive car. So this is a bit weird. I pulled the brackets out here, and this is the left mirror here, and so these brackets are marked L and R. Where's the camera? Here, so you can see the L on this one, and you can see R on that one. It seems like the L bracket doesn't actually seem to fit the left mirror. I don't know if you can see that very well, but I pull out the right one and it actually seems to fit the left mirror perfectly, so maybe they're just marked wrong? I don't know. No, these are just some cheap ones I found on Amazon, but they're gonna work. I don't really need some fancy chrome ones or whatever, so I haven't done this before. I'm just gonna try these ones and see how it works, but yeah, they were like $50 Canadian, so it shouldn't be too bad. Okay, so it's raining today, so I pulled it in the shop and I dried off the fender. Okay, so I just used some painter's tape, and this is about where I want it to go. Now I'm just going to grab the mirror and we're going to line it up. I'm going to sit in the seat and we're going to see where it needs to go. I'm not measuring it perfectly, but from the pictures I looked at of the Japanese ones, this is about where it goes on this side. Okay, so I'm just going to sit in the cabin there, and I'm going to look and we're going to line it up to see where it should go. And I can see when I can see the behind me in here, and then it's going to be good. We're going to draw some marks where we want it, and then we're going to measure it out and try to do the same on the other side. I looked at the pictures online of the Japanese ones and they look like they have the same position on both sides of the car, so it should be fine. Okay, so on my car it happened to be about 49 centimeters and 51 centimeters for the two bolts here. Okay, so I drew my lines going this way, and then this way I just went halfway across this, right in the center. So it was about 2.5 centimeters across, right to there. Okay, I got my drill and everything here, and I just jacked it up off the ground. The jack's not actually holding it, I got a jack stand there. And now I got enough room, I can look up in here, and I'm just gonna undo some screws on the fender liner. I'm gonna pull it back so that I can see up here. and see where I'm drilling, make sure there's not something behind there already. And I'll also have room to put these screws in there and the bracket underneath there. So, okay, so I got a bunch of screws here pulled off. I just needed a 10mm wrench and a screwdriver for one of them. And I could pull the fender liner back to this much with the wheel turned. You can see it there, up here, is exactly where I want to go. Up there, so. Doesn't seem to be anything there. Should be able to just drill right through. Okay, so I just got a spring-loaded punch here. Put it right in the middle there. Punch a little hole. Add a little dent, I guess. Okay, got both the holes drilled out. Should be just the right size though. Okay, the mirror looks like it's gonna fit. So I guess we can pull the tape now. Okay, so I just need to throw in this one. These are actually backwards. This one says R, and the other one says L, but this one's actually seems to be for the right side, like I mentioned. So I'm gonna throw them up top here. There we go. And then I'm gonna throw this on the bottom, and then I'm gonna throw the washer and then the nuts on there. Alright, so I got the washer in there, the bracket, and the nut on the washer, so looks good. Okay, so I got both mirrors on here, and now I just need to take these door mirrors off. So it looks like there's one screw here, and this part of my car is just loose. I can pull it back here. And it looks like there's another screw here. We'll also need to disconnect this wiring here. So I'll take these two off first. Okay, so just kidding, it turns out there's another screw up here. Okay, so here's what it looks like on this side. There's like a clip you have to disconnect if you have the power mirrors. There we go. Now it's gonna come through the hole. There's your mirror. Okay, so I got the mirror off here. This is what it looks like with no mirror on. So if you want to put a cover-up bracket here, I would advise you to just use these screw holes. They're already here. Okay, so now I need something to cover up this hole that my mirror's left. Okay, so I took an old peanut butter jar and I cut out just the cylinder that goes around the outside there, and I flattened it out with a heat gun. So here's what we got. I've already got a test piece in here that I cut out of that, and you can see it fits pretty well here. Now I'm just gonna take this and make another one for the other side, and if that goes well, I have some more. I might actually do a second one for this side because there's still some space here that I want to fill. Alrighty, so that's how to install the fender mirrors on your car. Some people don't like the look of them, but I think they look cooler. I guess that's up to you. Now you know how to do it.